How to hide your account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Instagram account. Now, you can't particularly hide your Instagram account, but if you want to hide it from public, then you can do it. Now, first, open up the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now head over to profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and from there head over to three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Now once there, go to settings and go to privacy. Now here you'll get the option private account. Now if you toggle this on, you can read that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. So this way the others won't be able to look at your account or view your account, those who are not following you, or they will have to request you in order to follow you. So this way you can hide your posts and profiles and such from other people or other users, but you can't basically hide your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.